Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on the link for our Skoda OCTAVIA 1.5 SEL, 5-door DSG, KS69 NNJ. Just inside the vehicle now. The vehicle is equipped with satellite navigation, dual climate control zones, as well as the DSG gearbox. This vehicle is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So just inside the interior, so you've got the part leather, part suede. And quite a significant boot as well. So if you'd like any more information, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon on 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.